AI isn't just some fancy tech buzzword anymore. It's the biggest shift since the birth of the internet. Right now, there's a hidden wave of people making thousands, even millions, by using AI in ways 99% of the world hasn't figured out yet. The crazy part? You don't need to be a programmer, you don't need a huge investment, and you don't even need years of experience. The money is flowing to those who understand one simple truth. AI isn't here to replace you, it's here to amplify you. While most people waste hours asking AI to write jokes or plan vacations, a small group of hustlers are using it to create businesses that run on autopilot, sell products they never touch, and make money while they sleep. And in this video, I'm pulling back the curtain and revealing the exact AI side hustles you can start today before the rest of the world catches on. Session 1. Freelance prompting and AI service gigs. Here's a fact most people don't realize. AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Claude, and 11 Labs are only as good as the prompts you give them. And guess what? 90% of people still don't know how to ask AI the right way. That's where you come in. Freelance prompting is the new gold rush. Businesses, creators, and even students are paying people who can craft powerful prompts that get AI to produce exactly what they want. Whether it's marketing copy, product descriptions, YouTube scripts, art designs, or even code. And the crazy part? You can start with zero upfront investment, just a laptop, internet, and the right skills. You could offer services like creating viral TikTok and YouTube video ideas using AI, writing Amazon product descriptions with ChatGPT, designing social media posts with Midjourney or Leonardo AI, helping businesses automate emails and customer responses. The demand is exploding on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and even LinkedIn. Right now, people are charging $20 to $200 per project. And that's just for text or image prompts. Some pros are making full-time incomes just by knowing how to talk to AI. And here's the secret sauce. You don't even need to be a coding expert. You just need to understand what the client wants, then translate that into a crystal clear AI prompt. Think of yourself as a translator between humans and machines, but you get paid for it. Start small, get a few clients, collect reviews, and within weeks, you could have a portfolio that brings in passive, recurring orders every single month. And remember, AI tools are getting better every day, so if you master prompting now, you'll always stay ahead of the crowd. Session 2. AI Content Business. Faceless YouTube plus ebooks plus micro courses. If you've ever dreamed of running a content empire without ever showing your face, this is where AI becomes your secret weapon. Imagine creating a YouTube channel where all your videos are fully voiceover driven, paired with AI-generated scripts, stock footage, and graphics, all made in hours, not weeks. You don't have to be an editor. Tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini can generate your scripts in your niche, whether it's finance, fitness, tech, or storytelling. Then you pair that with Pictory, InVideo, or CapCut to automatically turn it into a polished video. And here's the kicker. You can run the entire thing from your laptop, outsource thumbnails on Fiverr, and start getting monetized traffic. But YouTube is just one branch of this tree. Take those same scripts and repurpose them into ebooks using ChatGPT. You can publish them on Amazon KDP or sell them directly through platforms like Gumroad. Session 3. AI Chatbots and Local Business Automation. Rocket. What if you could build something once and it keeps working for your client 24/7? Answering every customer, booking appointments, collecting payments, and even closing sales, all while you sleep. This is the power of AI chatbots, and in this session, we are going deep. You'll learn the exact AI tools to build powerful chatbots without coding, how to set them up for any local business, salons, gyms, real estate, restaurants, in under 1 hour, automation secrets to make the chatbot act like a trained human assistant, the high-ticket offer script to sell this at $300 to $1,000 a month per client and why they'll gladly pay, how to scale to multiple clients without increasing your workload. By the end of this session, you won't just know how to make AI chatbots, you'll know how to turn them into cash-flowing assets that grow your income month after month. This is where you stop trading time for money and start letting automation work for you. Session 4. AI-powered faceless YouTube channels. If you've ever dreamed of building a YouTube channel without showing your face, without expensive equipment, and without spending hours recording yourself, this is the session you've been waiting for. With AI tools in 2025, anyone can create professional, engaging videos entirely from their laptop using voiceovers, stock footage, and AI-generated scripts that pull in millions of views. In this section, we're going to pull back the curtain on how creators are making $5,000 to $20,000 a month running faceless YouTube channels across niches like finance, tech explainers, motivation, travel, and even kids storytelling. You'll learn how to pick a profitable niche, research high-traffic topics, use AI to write binge-worthy scripts, and turn them into fully edited videos in hours, not days. We'll also dive into the secret sauce of growth: thumbnails, titles, retention hooks, and monetization strategies. From AdSense to affiliate marketing to selling your own products, you'll see exactly how to turn your channel into a long-term passive income machine.
Session 5 is AI course and template selling. Imagine creating a digital product once and selling it over and over again without doing any extra work. That's the power of AI-powered courses and templates. With AI tools, you can build easy-to-follow mini courses, step-by-step tutorials, and ready-to-use templates that solve specific problems, and then sell them on autopilot through platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website. Here's why this is one of the most powerful AI side hustles. You've just unlocked the 5 AI side hustles that can change your financial future in 2025. From freelance prompting to course selling, each one is a real way to make money using AI right now. But here's the truth. None of this works unless you take action. Watching won't pay the bills, but starting one hustle today can set you on a path to financial freedom. If you want even more ideas and mindset shifts to level up your money game, check out my other videos. 7 passive income ideas that actually work in 2025. For more hustle options you can combine with AI. The dangers of overconsumption. Learn why spending less and saving more will supercharge your side hustle earnings. How to invest $100 and grow it fast. Start turning your AI earnings into real wealth with smart investments.